Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to get your Coinbase wallet private key. Now, as the intro says, your private key is simply a unique code that is linked to your Coinbase wallet. Now, a private key can help you access your wallet from any other device or any other wallet, be it the Trust wallet, MetaMask, or any wallet out there. You could use your private key to log into your wallet and access your assets. Now, the reason your private key is inaccessible normally is because it's stored away to avoid the risk of your tokens being stolen or misplaced. If you were to head to the gear icon at the bottom right, met with the list of networks, display, and a whole lot of settings. If you click on address 1 and select show private key, you could easily gain access to your private key by clicking on show private key and accepting to access your private key. Now it says here, do not share this with anyone, even Coinbase. Anyone with your private key can steal your funds. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can get the private key for the Coinbase wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.